Exposing the secrets to a thriving garden. Ready to dig in? First things first, water. Your plants need just the right amount. Too much or too little can make them sad. So, keep the soil moist, but not soggy. Next up, sunlight. Most plants love soaking up the sun. Find a spot that gets at least 6 hours of sunlight a day. It's like giving your plants a daily vitamin boost. And don't forget the soil. Healthy soil means happy plants. Mix in some compost to give your soil a nutrient-rich treat. So there you have it. Water, sunlight, and soil are your garden's best friends. Now get out there and start planting. For more tips, visit us at 360 Farms, 801 W. Highland Ave, Albany, Georgia. Happy gardening!